Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 65 registered BMW 435 Coupe. This is the XDrive edition and has the straight 6 3 litre silky smooth engine. Car is finished in Alpine white paintwork and is sat on the 19-inch double spoke alloy wheels. Now the M-Sport that this one has the M-Performance braking system that is easily recognisable now by the Estoril blue brake calipers. M-Sports come very well specified from the factory with parking sensors front and rear. This one has the optional reversing camera, privacy glass, but is in a lovely colour, Alpine white. Looking down the side of the car, you can tell it's truly been cherished by the last owner. It's a 2-owner vehicle, and the last owner bought it from BMW 4 years ago and then has part exchanged it in for a new vehicle with ourselves. Now the XDrive system, that's a 4-wheel drive, so you'll never be out of favour at work in the deteriorating weather conditions. It's brilliant on that. We've got a split rear seat on this with it being a coupe, and then you've got the huge boot on a 4 Series, the same as what is in a 3 Series as well. Twin tail exhaust pipes just finish off that look, but the M-Sport body kit is absolutely wonderful. And on the 19-inch double spoke alloy wheels, I do really think that these alloy wheels set the car off fantastically well, it says. Privacy glass in the rear, but the whole of this vehicle is absolutely wonderful. Now, I've drove the car and I can tell you that that 3 litre diesel engine that they put in the X5, when you put it in a small car, gosh, what a power plant that is. Lovely, loads of torque. Put your foot down, you're never ever wanting. On a motorway, this is what the police use in their cars, so that 3 litre, fantastic. Now this car's got fantastic factory options. So we've got power folding door mirrors, which are also auto dimming. We've got the wonderful driver's electric heated memory seat. Jumping into the car, we can see we've got automatic headlamps. I'll just fire her up there. No warning lights on the dash, and it says next service is due in 12,000 miles or August 23. 53,713 miles. So very nice mileage on this car. Leather trimmed multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift as well. Gives you that real sporty look. Cold as it is today, we've got heated seats. We've got then digital climate control, air conditioning and the full shebang. So CD player, media system, so you can Bluetooth your phone with your music. We've got auxiliary, and also we have a CD player. Vehicle status, so that's the service documentation on the vehicle. We just scroll down there to service requirements and you'll see there now that the vehicle is in wonderful order. So the inspection on this car is in August of 23. Brake pads on the front, I've got 12,000 miles left. Engine oil is 13,000 miles left, or July 24. Vehicle check is 13,000 miles left, or July 24. Brake fluid July 24, and rear brakes have got 44,000 miles on. Service history is there, so we have the documentation there when the last owner bought it, so in September 17, and 13,343 miles. Last serviced on that computer there of 50,416 in July 22. Very, very nicely done. Satellite navigation on this particular one, then we've got, as I say, reversing camera with parking sensors on the front and also on the rear. Media player, you just pick which device you want to stream from, and we've got then the DAB radio system. We've got the aluminium detailing with the mix of gloss black as well. Now, full black leather on this particular vehicle, Black Dakota Leather, and the must-have Harman-Kardon upgrade speaker system or loudspeaker system. So tweeters, speaker there on top of the dashboard for centre, and then speakers around. A stunning system on this, which I'll just put the volume up. Demonstrate the bass there for you. Now, I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker at all. This vehicle smells absolutely beautiful and fresh and clean. So as I say, 53,713 miles. We've got 2 keys, we've got the book pack, We've got everything that was supplied literally to the first keeper new is still available today, which is always nice, isn't it, on a 67 5-year-old car plus. In the rear of the vehicle, that again is in fantastic order. The leather Dakota seats are fantastic condition wise. They doesn't look like they've been sat in, as you can see, no marks or anything. Then we get tweeters in the back as well. More speakers in this car than I've got in my front room of my house. But what a gorgeous piece of kit. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then around the windows, we've got the high gloss black finish. So what they call the Highline gloss finish. Beautiful car, that. Nice mileage, 65 plate. Gosh, it's older than I thought. 65 plate in fantastic order. So if you'd like to reserve this here at Alpha Motors, give us a call. We'll take a $250 fully refundable deposit. What that does then, it prepares the car for you, so you only need to come and visit us once in Wigan. You can do the click and collect. So once you've had a test drive, had a coffee, been happy with everything on the vehicle, just like lots of customers do now, you can drive away in the same day. Have a look at our social media. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK just doing exactly what you're thinking of doing. Depositing, reserving, we get it prepared, you come once and drive away in the same day. So, I'm Graham, there's Dominic and there's Lee. We'll be happy to help you in any way. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price. If you need finance, give us a call, we'll also give you a price there. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.